The 2006 Mini Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, anti-lock braking system, alloy wheels, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, front wheel drive, bucket seats, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.